We're over on South Main Street in Granville. We've had some issues here in the last few days. Today I went in with the camera, opened it up, and we opened it up at about 45 feet, which is about where it opened up the other day when we were here with the drain cleaning equipment. And so today I'm going to run the camera through, let you kind of show you what's going on and give you some ideas on what we can do to help you in the future. We're going out of the house here underneath the basement floor now, which all looks good. This is all PVC pipe. Appears to be 3-inch PVC, and when we get to the edge of the house here, right here, it turns to 4-inch PVC. Now as we go into the 4-inch PVC, you can see in the bottom left hand corner of my screen that we are at about 30 feet. You can see at the bottom of the pipe here, we're starting to get a lot of calcium buildup. On the right hand side there's a bigger chunk there. What happens with the calcium, you can see it here, it's on both sides. It allows the water to travel through, but it doesn't allow the paper and the solids to travel through. What happens is it just kind of like it does in front of my camera, it starts to build up and makes a little water dam like this here, and won't let the solids go by. So I tried flushing a bunch of water through and try to get it so that this would float out, but it will not float out with the amount of water that I was running. We've had this in the past. What we have to do is break up a piece in the basement floor about 3 feet so that we can get our water jetter in there, and then our water jetter can pull it to the hole, where at that time we can take it out of the pipe and get the pipe cleaned out. That's the only option that I have for you at this point. Here's another, quite a large amount of it here. Let's see, what's happening is the water will continue to just sift through it. It's kind of like a filter. Separates the water from the toilet paper and the waste products that are going down. So there's a considerable amount of shavings in the pipe, and I mean there would be one other option, and I'll show you that. Here's another quite a large chunk you can see off to the right hand side. They must have made a repair to the pipe one time out along the street, and I'll show you that here. This is the patch that they put in. This is a 4-inch pipe as well, but you can see it settled down just a little bit on the top. And the pipe is maybe about a 2-foot piece of pipe. And here it also settled, and you can see some more of the debris right on that joint. So if other than breaking up the basement floor to get the shavings out with the water jetter to pull it here, would be to dig up out in the street here and then repair this at the same time. It's obvious, you can see it settled. This is not the problem. This could cause a problem in the future. I'm just saying you could take care of both problems at the same time. A few more chunks. So here's the city main. So that's about the only solutions I have for you. If you want, you can give us a call. This is Evan with Lelux Diversified out of Dune, Iowa. The number is 712-726-3571. Thank you.